Average cost of eating out, like 50 bucks. Average cost of cooking in, a lot fucking cheaper than that.
But I don't use all the ingredients.
Yeah, but you use those ingredients for more things you make at home, and then it's cheap, cheap, cheap.
Yeah, but what recipe do I use?
That's why I'm here, to show you how to make delicious food without a recipe. Let's jump in. We're gonna make a grain, simple. You can use any grain under the sun. You wanna use farro, you wanna use whatever pasta, whatever. I'm using pearl couscous, Israeli couscous, whatever you wanna call it. Bigger couscous. You probably have a grain in your pantry right now. Use that. Crunch. I'm going nuts. I'm going almonds and pumpkin seeds. Sprinkle on the bottom of that potato chip bag, tortilla chips. Do anything that is crunchy that you have. Spices, I'm gonna figure that out when I open the spice drawer and just get rid of the stuff I wanna get rid of. Aromatics, 3 types today. Onion, garlic, and I have some carrots I'm gonna use. Sweet, I have leftover raisins, so I'm gonna soak raisins. When you soak them, they become soft and beautiful and delicious. I'm not even gonna soak them. I'm gonna throw them in at the very end of cooking the grain. Acid, lemon juice. You wanna use vinegar, whatever you got. Heat, I'm going chili, Aleppo chili. I have that, still using it up. Syrian chili, delicious. Herbs, mint, fennel. And bitter, just because we're already using the juice, I'm gonna zest the outside of that lemon.
But this doesn't have enough protein.
If you want more protein, cook a little cheap protein. Sear a little chicken, sear a little tofu. Add chickpeas to this. Do your thing. Let's make it. Eating Chipotle every day for the next 40 years is not the solution. Make somebody happy, cook for them, you can do it.